Hello. The Daily Beautiful News visualized by Information is Beautiful, May 10, 2020. Today's visualization is about more Indonesians than ever have access to clean, safe cooking fuel. Large parts of the world have no access to modern cooking fuels such as electricity, or LPG, liquid petroleum gas. Billions of people still use the dirtier wood, coal, or kerosene. The resulting indoor pollution can cause illness and respiratory disease. Indonesia launched a massive clean stove initiative in 2012. The nation was encouraged to switch from kerosene to clean-burning LPG. Cooking became cheaper, healthier, and more convenient. Healthier homes. Lives transformed. Thanks for watching. And don't forget to like, comment, and share.